Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60S, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings, then choose Display and tap on Styles. Over here, pick one of those themes. I will go with Bloom and choose Apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can also go back into the same settings and swipe to the right. Then click on this plus icon over here and pick your font style. Click Next after each step, color of icons in tab menu, shape of them, and even layout. Then name your theme however you wish to and tap on Done. Then select Apply, and as you can see, theme of my smartphone changed again. If you wish to go back into the default one, go into Display, tap on Styles and choose Moto Theme. Then choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your themes, you need to click on the one that you created, click on this pen icon at the top right corner and tap on the bin one at the top right corner as well. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!